If you're managing hundreds of WhatsApp chats, updating them one by one, adding labels, archiving, or organizing just doesn't scale. With Periskope's chat list, you can select multiple chats and take bulk actions in seconds. Head over to Chat List from the left sidebar. Use the checkbox at the top to select all chats at once, or tick individual chats one by one. At the bottom of the screen, you'll always see the bulk action toolbar. Click Update Chats and you'll get a range of options. Add labels, remove labels, mark read or unread, pin chats, archive chats, activate AI agent or AI flagging, and more. Just select what you need and apply it across all your selected chats at once. If you've selected group chats, click Group Actions to add contacts to those groups in bulk. Just search by name or number and click Add. You can also click Upload Labels and Properties to upload labels and custom properties across your selected chats in one shot. And if you need a copy of your chat list, hit Export. You can either download it right away or have it sent to your email. With bulk actions in Periskope, managing your entire chat list takes seconds, whether you're labeling, archiving, pinning, or updating chats at scale. Get started today, the link is in the description.